Here, Mura is having the Innopen microneedling treatment, which is an automatic medical grade device. The Innopen pierces the skin with tiny micropunctures that triggers repair to produce new collagen. This results in firmer, younger looking skin with tighter pores. It's also great for fine lines and wrinkles and acne pock marks. A disposable sterile needle cartridge is used for each treatment. Numbing cream is applied for enhanced comfort.
That's a lot less painful now than the roll-on.
Yeah, because the needles are going vertically. It means you'll have no scratches on the skin, which means your skin will heal faster and has less downtime. An anti-age serum is microneedled into the skin, which contains peptides, vitamins and hyaluronic acid to help with new collagen growth and give you long-lasting hydration. Monthly intervals are recommended and most clients are satisfied with about 3 treatments. It's suitable for both men and women. 3 treatments with monthly intervals are recommended and it can be alternated with skin peels for enhanced results. It's suitable for both men and women. An anti-inflammatory mask may be used to reduce your redness afterwards. Call My Skin Clinic to book your Innopen treatment.